Hey there, folks. Welcome back. Today, we are continuing our conversation around this very important concept of interoception. This is all about being able to sense our internal experience. So, this is very important. It's a key component when it comes to healing trauma. It's also very important when it comes to just generally broadly having more emotional awareness. So, being able to connect with the body and sense our internal experience is a skill that we're working on building in this series through a variety of practices. And so we're really focusing on today the belly breath, okay, and really connecting with the belly. And we've been exploring using kind of external objects, right, to kind of connect to and notice external sensations. And now we're going to really use the external surface of the body in order to connect to our sensations. Okay, so I want to invite you in this moment to go ahead and get into a settled place. If you want to do this exercise with me right now, you can also listen through and then come back and give it a try when you're ready. Best to do this practice either sitting up or laying down. And so just go ahead and let your body settle, get into a little bit of a relaxed position. All right. And it is great to close your eyes, but that's not required. If you feel more comfortable having your eyes open, then just try to let your eyes soften a little bit. If you're sitting up, maybe just, let the gaze drop down. If you're lying down, you can kind of focus on a point on the ceiling, okay? And we're going to start by just breathing through the diaphragm. Okay, so let's just start taking some breaths. Nothing to change here, nothing to do here. Just start being a little more conscious, a little more aware of the breath. I'm going to invite you into doing more diaphragmatic breathing. Okay, so this is just where you're trying to drop in more into the belly. So not breathing in the chest like there, but dropping down lower. Try doing this through your nose to start, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. But if that's uncomfortable, then breathe however is comfortable and easy for you. Let's just take 3 breaths here. Again, not changing anything, just doing that breathing and dropping in. All right, now go ahead and take both hands and place them on your abdomen. So right around your belly button. All right. And even just notice the first sensations of touching your belly. Yeah, that might even immediately stir up something. This particular chakra is where a lot of our vulnerability sits. And when we've experienced trauma, we can often be holding a lot of trauma in the belly. So we might even avoid touching ourselves there. So even just this first sensation of connecting your hands to your belly might start to stir up a little bit, and that's okay. Send some love through your hands to your belly. You can do this over your clothes or you can do skin to skin. Either way is fine. And I want you to just start breathing, and I want you to start to notice the movement of your belly. Notice the quality of your breath. Are you breathing fast? Are you breathing slow? Are the breaths deep or shallow? Try to really begin to notice what it feels like inside of your body to breathe in and breathe out. And allowing your hands, as they continue to rest on your belly, to just more deeply connect to your breath. Feeling the stomach expand with each inhale and collapse with each exhale. Now I want you to bring your attention to your hands that are resting on your belly. And just notice the movement of your hands and the rhythm that's being created as you breathe in and out. but put the focus instead of on the internal sensation of the breath, the external movement of your hands and the rise and the fall. Just notice that sensation. Notice the feelings on your palms connected to your belly, maybe even feeling the texture of your skin or of your shirt. Noticing the temperature. So now we're going to focus on breathing in through the nose for just a moment. And I want you to direct your attention to your nostrils. And as you inhale, noticing the cool air, what that feels like as it enters your nose. And see if you can kind of note where it seems that the air disappears. So you're inhaling and you can feel it in the nose, and then all of a sudden it's kind of gone. It's not there. And there's a point where you can't feel the air because it's entering down into your lungs. Let's just take a few breaths here. See if you can connect with that sensation of the cool air coming in through the nose, the point where it disappears, and then the sensation of the air as you exhale. Good work. Now we're going to shift to breathing through the mouth. So drop the jaw, gently opening the mouth. And same idea, as you inhale, feeling the air coming into the mouth, noticing the point where it disappears, and the sensation of the air as you exhale. Notice how the air feels on your teeth, on your tongue. Now, I want to invite you to try to work a little holistically here, seeing if you can bring some sensory awareness to all of the different parts that are working together here. So your belly, your nose, your mouth. So as you're breathing in, again, still the sensation of your hands on your belly, right? And just noticing the breath coming in and out, and bring a little bit of intention and attention to the breath, thinking of it as flowing effortlessly through your body, thinking of it as this anchor that's going to keep you grounded and present. Take a few breaths here, again, trying to bring full awareness. Now, for the next few breaths, I want you to just explore, maybe move a hand to your chest, maybe place hands on your thighs, on different parts of your belly, the sides of your belly. But in this way, using the external connection with your body as you breathe, but different parts of your body, and just noticing the sensations there and the connections there, and trying to bring some awareness there. Okay, so go ahead and take a few breaths here, moving the hands around, connecting with different parts of the body as you breathe. Okay, beautiful. Let's go ahead and release this practice, just dropping your hands down, going into a complete relaxation state, taking 2 deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. If the eyes are closed, go ahead and gently open them. Beautiful. So now You can come back and you can repeat this process and you can slow it down. There's a lot of benefit to expanding this work into like a 5 to 10 minute practice. Okay. But this is a really wonderful way to connect and ground with yourself throughout the day. So, taking a moment to just put your hands on your belly and do some breath connections there. That belly connection really is so very grounding. And if you go back earlier in the series, we know that when we kind of contract the belly, we are activating the vagus nerve, which activates the parasympathetic nervous system, is kind of like our chill out button. And so belly breathing is super, super powerful. And using the external connection with touch is a way of up leveling that. Awesome. So as always, if you have questions, comments, ahas, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, take good care of you.